which was our healthcare costs were eating alive everything we needed to stay alive. I could no longer support Larry and take care. Larry's my hubby, now 81 years old, and I'm 70 now. So I'm speaking to you as somebody who left South Dakota because my job at the Pioneer I loved my job, but it didn't pay enough once my insurance benefits came out, my insurance premiums came out. It didn't leave enough left for Larry and I to live on comfortably in a way that we could maintain ourselves. And I couldn't do it alone. And Larry couldn't keep working. It was that simple.